Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your DBS Bank account. So follow some simple steps with me. First off, open your web browser and in the search bar, type in DBS Bank Login. And as the search result, you can see in the first option, DBS iBanking. Click on it. It will redirect you to the login portal of DBS Bank. And over here, enter the user ID of your account. Now enter the PIN that you have set while registering your account. Once you do that, click on Login. You will be logged into your DBS Bank account. And in case if you guys forgot your login credentials, click here Forget User ID or PIN to reset it. So this is how you can log in into your DBS Bank account. Hope you guys understand and find our video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.